Hey guys, welcome back to yet another helpful video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to create bots into Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to create bots into your Slack application, you just simply have to open your Slack app into your desktop. Then after that, you will get to see so many options into here, and one of them is apps. You just simply have to go into this app section and from here click into this plus button besides the automations option. Just simply tap into that option and in here you will get to see templates option. Now you just simply have to click into this start from scratch option and click to create. Then just simply give a name for your workflow and then click to next button. Then after that, select the channels into here. Then after selecting the channel, click to next button. Now you just simply have to tap into this add step button and then select suitable options for you. And then after doing this, click to save button. Then set a message, then click to save button. After doing this, you just simply have to click into this publish button. Your bot will successfully be created into Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.